Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob, and I've got a quick tool haul for you. So sit back, relax, and check out some of these gems I found. First up, we've got this vintage hacksaw looking thing. It is, can't really see it too well. Number 10, Miller's Falls. So yeah, that's number 10, Miller's Falls hacksaw. So that'll be a fun restoration. Next, we've got this Vaughn ball peen hammer. It's got some electrical tape on it, so I don't know if the handle, I don't know what's going on, but it'll be fun to clean up. Next hammer is this Plum. This is just a teeny tiny little thing. I would say less than 8 ounces. 8 ounces or less. But yeah, that'll be a cool little hammer project. Next up is this pair of needle nose pliers. Definitely needs to be tightened up. It's Germany. It's stamped West Germany, but I like the way these handles are, so we'll have to put these on. We'll see if we can't get these handles cleaned up. We got ourselves SK tool. This is a 3/4 inch. Then we have 2 hex 182 made in USA. And we all know 2 hex is made by the Bonnie Company. So yeah, a hidden Bonnie. So a quick off-topic rant. Here's a collection of my 2U hex. So I got the 148, which is the 13/16 by 3/4 2 hex. This isn't actually marked, but we all know what it is. Chrome vanadium steel, 11/16 by 5/8. This is 146, 144 is 1/2 inch by 9/16. 142 is 3/8 by 7/16. Now mind you, don't be confused with true hex. This is 2 hex, TUHEX. So here's the 182 and the 183. The 182 is 11/16 by 5/8. And the 183 is 25/32 by 3/4. And then 178 is 11/16 by 5/8. So if you guys ever come across a 2-hex, think of old Resto-Rob. And then finally we have a 164 and 167. 167 is a 7/8 and a 5/8. So remember, folks, TUHEX 2-hex is a Bonnie. It's a Bonnie brand. Found me a 14mm SK. Hey George, you need this? It's an SK 14mm 88314. And then I've got this Proto Challenger 3/8. An SK Tool 1/2 inch C16. This is a Velcheck 3/8 by 5/16. And then finally got this New Britain 11/16 by 5/8. So yeah, this was my quick little tool haul. It's always a good day when you find a Bonnie type item. And then this Miller's Falls, it kind of is my favorite for today. Oh, and I forgot this old beat up wood handle screwdriver. I know somebody probably will want it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's stamped Champion. And it's got some sort of Baghdad, I'm sending this to you. It's a Champion, and hopefully you can give it some love. I know Chuck will supervise, but yeah, this is for Baghdad. So everybody, what did you guys think of this tool haul? Bonnie is always fun to find, and I think my highlight is this Miller's Falls hacksaw. I think this will be a fun restoration project. So I don't really go on too many tool hauls much. But I'm going to start working on a lot more of my stuff I already have and get caught up. So, as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.